Good morning, one and all. My name is Krishna from class 9. This is Robotic carbon deforestation. In our daily life routine, we observe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is harmful to environment. That's why we are using trees. Trees are the natural ways to capture carbon from the atmosphere and they prepare food from the carbon. They which are releasing and which are absorbing carbon are called carbon absorbers. And due to deforestation and forest fires, they will lose carbon and they will decay. That's why we need to plant more trees. In our household, we will use trees to capture carbon, but in industry, more carbon is bigger. How we will capture carbon? Let us see. First, sun amplifiers. They are connected to the ocean trees and they absorb carbon into the oceans. The water which are saturated with salt, they absorb carbon and mix them with them and prepare new compounds which are minerals like carbonates. After there is air capture. It is a process used in industries to capture carbon. By using this air fertilizer, they will capture carbon and send it to this storage tank. The storage tank prepare these new substances from the carbon as synthetic fuels as petrol and diesel. They enhance rock delivery. It is a process in which rock and dust particles are spread on the land. They will absorb rainwater and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and change them into minerals. Thank you for having a nice day. Plant more trees, save more carbon. Thank you. Good morning all. I am Rishita from class 7. This is realistic air, water and land pollution. This polluted air goes into the transporter, into water, into air and causes many diseases like respiratory disease, cancer, asthma, etc. And this causes the acid rain, climate change, etc. This is realistic water pollution. This caused the many diseases and this polluted the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. And this is invisible pollutants. These have many bacteria, fuels, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Thank you all.
When forests cut down the trees, they release the carbon dioxide on atmosphere. That is called deforestation. Deforestation causes the human activities like logging.
Hello ma'am, this is my science. My name is Sheikh Mahmood Subani and this is my science project. This is called a robotic lifter. It is used at construction sites to lift the heavy materials. It is Kumar. I'm from classmates and created for estate. This is my project. My project name is deforestation causes scarcity. Deforestation. Deforestation is conversion clearing all trees like other purposes like commercial human use. Deforestation. When forests cut down the trees, they release the carbon dioxide and atmosphere. They release the carbon dioxide and atmosphere. That is called deforestation. Deforestation is causes human activities like logging, mining, urbanization, agriculture purpose, timber, etc. So please don't cutting the trees. It causes scarcity. It causes for future generations to damage. It causes scarcity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ambrosia. I am from first standard today. I am introduced about Drupal. So many children say like animals in the Drupal. I am about animals. This is tiger, this is elephant, this is cheetah, and etc. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Hello everybody, this is Jacob from class 5. Today I am here to explain these experiments. This is a block. It is also non-water flood and construction. It gets harder when you hard it touch it. It gets softer when you soft it touch it. Thank you for visiting my experiment. Have a platinum day. Good morning everybody, this is Roya from 5th standard. This is ship. The ship was invented by the ancient Egyptians beginning about the 4th century. The ship is a large watercraft that travels the world ocean and other navigation waterways. For example, carrying goods, passengers and vehicles. Thank you.
Hello teachers, students and my dear parents. This is Sanjana from class 7. Today I am here to explain this experiment. This is a buzz wire game. How to play? In this game, we need to finish without touching the GI wire. If we touch the GI wire, the buzzer gets ringing, which means the game has been over. A. The aim is to get the grip mounted with the metal nut all the way to the end. Materials required: cardboard, A4 sheet, buzzer, switch, HW battery, connector, wire, etc. Procedure: connect the battery's positive terminal to the GI wire and negative terminal to the switch. Connect the buzzer's negative terminal to the switch and the positive terminal to the handle. Observation: by this activity we can improve our focus and concentration levels. Thank you for visiting my experiment.